jackhammer. Got some really nice ones.
So the big question is, how many did we get?
There's a
How
couple
many did we get?
different clusters.
4, 5, 6, 7. How many? Wait, count, John. Oh, there's a nice one. Oh, guys, that's nice. Oh, it was attached to this one. That was. Oh man, y'all check this out. That don't weigh nothing. Big old double. It's all wet and juicy. It's got the juicy-licious.
And that is my dad.
It's a who? I've lost track. I've been too excited. The ADD is just rolling.
And this is
And the geodes are rolling like rawhide.
there's definitely a lot of geodes in this one pocket.
Oh my gosh, man, check it out. Look at that little triple.
Oh my!
So that middle one is solid. It's really bright calcite. Baby geode. Oh, another one, Bea. Baby geode. There's the other half.
You're having too much fun with this.
Got the other half.
Ooh, I never got to see it. We still have more on the wall, don't we?
Oh, there's hundreds of them in the wall still. Yeah.
Just trying to clear everything back so we can go again. Look at this huge pile, though.
All right, so I don't know how we ended up getting there. Nice pile. What do you think, John? Should we go for a couple more? We need a couple more. Let's go for a couple. Nice. Go up high, John. I'll go low. Get her done, and we'll call the video an end. Makes me thirsty.
Okay. How many more do you guys guess is still in the wall? Still got quite a few more.
Alright, so I'm gonna go in right here, John. You come in right there and go. Oh, I'm in one. I felt it. I was in a great big one. I felt the jackhammer drop. Oh. Look, there's baby buttons. Man, guys. Oh my gosh. That's a slosher. Listen. Can you hear that? Guys, I'm Steve Woodruff, Woody's Rock Shop, Fabulous Kill Cook Geode Site. Thanks for looking. Rock life.
Rock on.